Hello and welcome to Mathematics Form 1, Topic 1, which is Natural Numbers, Lesson number 1. In this lesson, we will cover the place values of numbers and rounding off numbers. By the end of this lesson, you as a learner, you should be able to identify, read, and write natural numbers in symbols and words. 2. Round off numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions. Let us start with place value. And this is the position of a digit in a number. A digit can have different values depending on its position in a number. We can also look at the total value of a digit, which is the product of the digit and its place value. Using a place value chart like the one which is given below, we can be able to identify both the place value and the total value of a digit in a number. And we can also use the place value chart in writing numbers in words. For example, we are given to identify the place value and the total value of the digits 5 and 3 in the number which is given below, and the number is 653,298,701. That number is in the above table, so we can get the digit 5 can be seen from the table that it is in the place value 10 million. So you can say 5, the place value is 10 millions. And if we want to get the total value of that digit, we can say 5 as the digit multiplied by the place value, which is 10 million. This gives us 50 million. We are also told to consider digit 3 in the same number. So we go to the chart and digit 3 is in millions. So the place value of digit 3 is given as millions, and its total value will be equal to 3 multiplied by the place value, which is million, multiplied by million, and this one gives you 3 million. Now we are also told that the place value chart can be used in writing numbers in words. So in example 2, we are expected to write the following number in words using our place value chart. And the number is 879,645,132. So if we go to the place value chart, you can see the number, it is the second number. We can group that number into 3 groups. The first 3 digits with the last digit being 9, that group ends at millions. The second group from 6 to 5, that one ends at thousands. Then the last group we have 1, 3, 2, which ends at ones. So when we are writing this number in words, we have to indicate that the first 3 digits makes millions, the second 3 digits makes thousands, and then we include the last 3 digits. So this means the number is 879,645. We have 132. So when we are writing this number in words, we'll say it's 879 879 million 645 this is 1000 132 100 and 32. So this number written in words will be 879,645,132. So we've used our place value chart to write that number in words. Another thing that you need to know in this lesson is billions, and a billion is 1000 million, which is written as 1 and 9 zeros, as you can see. This means that a billion has 10 places. Lastly, we'll look at rounding off, and generally when rounding off a number to the nearest given number or given value, the digit next to the digit being considered will determine if the digit will be rounded up or remains the same. If the digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the digit being considered will remain the same. But if the digit is 5 or more, then the digit being considered is rounded up. This is what I mean. If we have a number like 2, 3, 5, and we want to round off 3, then we check the digit which is next to it, and that digit is 5. So you check that digit if it is in the category that is 1, 2, 3, 4, for that digit 3 to remain the same. But if our digit is in the category 5 or more, then it will mean that 3 will be rounded up. So in this case we will have 2, and because 5 is in the category 5 or more, then 3 will be rounded up to 4, then we have 0. Now we will use our chart to round off the example given, and this is the number 714,528,396. We are supposed to round it off to the nearest 10,000. So we go to the chart, and that number is in the chart. We check the place value 10,000, and in that place value we have the digit 2, and the digit next to 2 is 8, which is in the category 5 or more, and this means that digit 2 has to be rounded up. So our new number will be 7. It will be 7, 1, 4, 5. Then our 2 will be rounded up to 3, and the others will be zeros. So we can check how many zeros we'll have, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our new number will be 3714530000. That is our new number after rounding off to the nearest 10,000. That is it for this lesson. Let us meet for the next lesson.